Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math. The law of sines, angle, angle, side case. Let's draw a triangle where we have angles A, B, and C. I will say angle A is 70 degrees, and angle C is 40 degrees, and we'll say side A is 12. So here we can see as we go around the triangle, we have angle, angle, side. And our job for this triangle is to find side C. We can see that we have angle A and side A. That's going to be the ratio that we want to use because we know both parts of it. So we can say sine of angle A over side A, 12, is equal to sine of angle C, 40 degrees, over side C, the unknown side that we're looking for. Algebraically, we can cross multiply to see C sine of 70 is equal to 12 sine of 40. Solve for C by dividing by the sine of 70 degrees. Plug that guy into your calculator. Make sure you're in degree mode, and you should pop out an answer of a length of 8.21. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.